Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. In today's video, we will discuss one type of population interaction, that is parasitism. So first of all, what is population interaction? Animal plants do not and cannot live in isolation. They always require interaction, so they interact with each other. And these interaction, that is population interaction, can be beneficial and harmful to them. So in this video, we will discuss one type of population interaction, that is parasitism. Now let's get started. So first of all, what is parasitism? Parasitism, it is a relationship between two species of plants or animals in which one benefits at the expense of the other. As I make this sign, that is plus and minus, that represent that one organism receive benefit and another organism receive harm. That is, plus sign represent benefit, minus sign represent harm or loss. This parasitism can be seen in two species of plants or two species of animals. In parasitism, killing of host is not compulsory, and generally they require living host. There are two terms in parasitism, that is parasite and host. So, the organism which obtains its food directly from another living organism is called parasite, and from which food is obtained by parasite is known as host. The plus sign, that means benefit, goes to parasite, and minus, that is harm or loss, that is goes to host. In parasitism, parasite is smaller and weaker than the host. I repeat, parasitism is a relationship in which one get benefits and other get loss. That is plus minus type of interaction. Second, one is known as parasite and other is known as host. So the organism which obtain its food, that means which obtain benefit from another living organism, is known as parasite, and that organism which provide food is known as host, and it receive loss. Second, killing of host is not compulsory in case of parasitism, because they require living host to fulfill their requirements. Parasite is smaller and weaker than the host. Now, types of parasites. First one is ectoparasite, second one is endoparasites. These classification are done on the basis whether the parasite is feeding on the body or in the body of the host. So, ectoparasite, as the name suggests itself, ecto means outside. That means the parasite which lives on the surface of the host body are known as ectoparasites. Example are lice, ticks, mosquito. Second one is endo. Endo means inside. That means the parasites which live inside the host body. That can be any place of the host. That means that can be body fluid, that can be tissue, that can be gut, or that can be the cavity in which those parasites live. So, example of endoparasite is malarial parasite, that is Plasmodium. So, this is all about ectoparasite and endoparasite. Now, some terms are There some example of parasitism, that is brood parasitism. This is a classic example of parasitism which seen in birds, that in which parasitic bird lays its egg in the nest of its host and the host incubates them. Due to similarity in the size and color of the eggs of the both parasitic bird and the host bird, and it is commonly found in cuckoo and crow. Cuckoo means quail. This brood parasitism you can see in cuckoo and crow. Cuckoo never incubate its egg. It always lay its egg in the nest of in the nest of the crow, and then crow incubates the egg of itself and cuckoo also. So this is the brood parasitism. Now parasitoids. Parasitoid are those parasites which always kills the host. And parasitoidism, that relationship in which the parasite always kills the host. Generally in parasitism, hosts are not killed, but in parasitoidism, parasites always kills their host. Example is wasps. Next one is hyperparasites. Hyperparasites are the parasites which lives on another parasites. That means one parasite which lives on the host, and there is some second parasite which lives on this host, which lives on this parasites. So hyperparasites, those parasites which lives on the another parasites. Example is bacteriophages. This is all about parasitism. I hope you all understand this. Thank you so much.